What is a Scrum Master? Well, as somebody who is trying to transition an organization to a new way of working to be fit for the 21st century, you've likely come across Agile. If you have, you're very likely to have come across Scrum. And within there is this bit of a strange thing called a Scrum Master. So what is that? Well, if you go and read the books, if you go and read the articles, you're going to think it's somebody who's a bit of a team admin, and you would be wrong. Hi, my name is John McFadyen. I'm the managing partner with Agile Centre. I'm a certified Scrum trainer with Scrum Alliance, and I've been using Agile and Scrum processes and frameworks for over 20 years now in some of the largest adoptions in the world. Why is a Scrum Master not a team admin? Well, because we can get them cheaper and probably more effective than hiring somebody from within your teams who's got deep skills of product development to move some tickets around on a board. Okay? They're not a project manager. It's a different role. They may come from project management, but they are not project manager. They are not there to drive delivery. They are a person who is thinking about how can this team be better, constantly pushing it, coaching it, mentoring it, cheerleading it, helping a group of people strive to be better every day, every week, constantly changing and improving their processes, their ways of working, their relationships, even maybe the membership of the team, to be better suited at what they need to do to get the job done. This is a role of a Scrum Master. Okay? But I want you to think, if you are at the moment looking at bringing Scrum in, you're probably looking for the team lead. You're probably looking for the manager, because traditionally, if we've got a group of people, we need to supervise them, because how could we possibly trust them to do a good job without a manager above them? I'm going to challenge that. Are you in a good position if you don't trust people who work with their minds for a living? Are you in a good position if you don't trust the real value creators of your organization? And you don't trust them enough that you want to put somebody in charge of them, somebody to tell them what to do, to manage them. If, and I hope, you do trust those people to do a good job, what is a manager bringing to the table? I would personally look at it and say, you don't need a manager. You need leadership. I don't need somebody to tell me what to do and how to do my job, particularly when I'm better qualified to say what my job is and how to do it. I need somebody to create a vision, create a compelling reason to go forwards, okay, and help me achieve it. We have lots and lots of visions that we can have. There is, I hope, one for delivering an amazing product or project, a reason to carry people forward, for them to come into work and try way, way harder than just pay. But also, we want in the Agile world this continuous improvement, this thinking integral to the team's being, that is, how do we do it a bit better and a bit better and a bit better? And each time round, just getting fractionally faster, fractionally fitter. That takes leadership too. The vision there is one of a team and a way of working that is better, that is a better fit for this problem space, for this organization. That leader is your Scrum Master. They're not managing, they're not telling people how to do the job. Okay? They're helping them understand there are options, exploring those options to discover the right ones to use right now. And over time, they will change and evolve. And your Scrum Master is the person to bring them back into the conversation as they stop being fit for purpose, or potentially there's a better way, even while they are fit for purpose. Your Scrum Master is somebody who is constantly thinking, how can this team push itself further? How can it be better? Not to the brink of burnout. We want to be short of that, but we want to find the sustainable pace of excellence, of continuing improvement. Because that way, you're going to solve the business's needs, the problems that you set in front of that team faster and better, far more effectively. This is what you need to be thinking about. If you're worried about people doing a good job, you've got issues. The ones that a Scrum are going to highlight, but not solve. I hope you've got great people. You hire the best people you can. And what they need is good leadership. They need somebody to show them that it is possible to be better, that there is a future, and help them achieve it. You need product leadership as well, and we will talk about that in a different time, but you need process leadership. You need somebody thinking we can be better, knowing it in their bones, and continually helping people to be better. A Scrum Master is a critical friend. They are a friend. They are there to support the team and, as somebody who's in charge of the larger initiative, to support you. They want you to do a great job. They want their teams to do a great job, because if you do a great job, it makes the team's job easier and the organization better. So they're there as a friend to you. They will support you. They will bring ideas to you. Some of them will challenge your thinking, your usual way of working. They're not doing it to be disruptive. They're doing it because they can see something, maybe something you can't yet. Give them the time. They are there to support you. At all times, though, they are going to be thinking critically. They are not judgmental, but they are critical friends. So they are going to question, they are going to probe, they are going to prod and poke your thinking, your ideas, your decisions to help you make better ones. This is the role of a Scrum Master within any organization, is thinking, how do we make the organization better? Not just the team that I work with day to day, but the wider organization. How can this be a better fit for the 21st century? How can we help this organization not only survive, but thrive in modern climate? And to do that, people at all levels need to be thinking incredibly well, incredibly clearly. Your Scrum Master is going to act as that critical friend, that mentor, that coach, that teacher, that person who's going to come to you as well as their team and everybody in between and ask questions to help you have clarity about your thinking, to bring new ideas into the mix. Throughout it all, they're going to be somebody who is interested above everything else, and everything they do is in service of creating an environment where the team and the organization can deliver, can do great work, can be highly, highly effective. That's what Scrum Master's for. That's who they are.